Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. As you enter the age of 50, keeping a good drink is very important to make your body healthier. Especially some sugary drinks such as soft drinks can cause more damage to the body when we get old. Drinks are an important part because the body needs fluids to function properly. There are many types of drinks that we can find, which have their own benefits. When choosing a drink, it's important to pay attention to its ingredients as some drinks can have a detrimental effect on the body if consumed. When you are over 50 years old, your body's metabolic system slows down, unlike during your productive years. This is why you may struggle to lose weight, be at risk of developing diabetes and other diseases. One way to stay fit at 50+ years old is to control your beverage intake. These are some of the drinks you should avoid to keep your body healthy. 1. Alcoholic drinks. If not prohibited by a doctor, we don't have to say goodbye to alcohol forever. However, limiting its consumption when you're 50 years old can be of great benefit to your health. Alcohol comes with a lot of empty calories that increase the risk of being overweight and can deplete certain water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Not only that, but drinking too much alcohol can also harm the liver, which can lead to other health problems. High alcohol intake can increase the risk of liver disease, especially if we are on certain medications. So, managing our alcohol intake is key to ensuring we don't overload the liver with toxins to process and cleanse from the body. 2. Energy drinks. People aged 50 and above tend to have higher health risks, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and metabolic problems. Energy drinks often contain high amounts of caffeine and sugar, which can increase the risk of heart problems and blood pressure. Energy drinks are one of the things that can make our weight loss fail. Sure, they can give us a midday energy boost, but experts don't recommend them. Energy drinks are packed with sugar, which makes it harder for us to burn fat and can lead to weight gain. This is because sugar has no nutritional benefits and can instead increase the risk of obesity, heart disease, and insulin resistance in developing type 2 diabetes. Older people tend to have decreased insulin sensitivity, so consuming high sugar drinks can cause unstable blood sugar spikes. 3. Caffeinated drinks. Even if you make your coffee without sugar, excess caffeine can have a very damaging effect on your health after the age of 50. After the age of 50, getting good quality sleep may be more challenging, and the effects of caffeine can take up to about 10 hours to completely wear off. Age 50 and above is a stage where the body undergoes significant changes, including the cardiovascular system, metabolism, and responses to certain substances. As we age, the body tends to become more sensitive to caffeine. This is because the caffeine metabolism and elimination system may not be as efficient in older people, which can lead to worse side effects after consuming caffeine. 4. Sodium drinks. Consuming too much sodium in beverages can increase the risk of various health conditions and diseases. For example, excessive amounts of sodium in the blood can cause fluid retention, which increases the risk of high blood pressure. People over the age of 50 are already at high risk of developing high blood pressure and can increase their risk by consuming high sodium beverages. High blood pressure can lead to health problems such as heart disease and stroke. People aged 50 and above also tend to have more frequent kidney problems, such as decreased kidney function or chronic kidney disease. High sodium consumption can burden the kidneys and worsen kidney conditions. By avoiding these types of drinks, you can maintain your health and reduce the risk of other health problems. Always consult a doctor to find out your health needs. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.